What's up guys, Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some wireless earbuds made by Aukey. And I'd like to give a big thank you to Aukey because they did send these out to me so I could do this review for you guys today. So we have a couple different styles here for you. One kind of fits more in your ear and is more subtle, less noticeable. The other one kind of sticks out of your ear, kind of like the Apple AirPods does. This particular one here has really good battery life. The other one has some pretty good battery life too, but like I said, you sacrifice that for more of an inner ear type of bud that's less noticeable. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at both of these and see how well they work and whether or not you guys should purchase them. I also will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check these out yourself. They are on Amazon. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So on our right here, we have the Aukey EP-T21 earbuds. They hang out of your ear more, but they do give you better battery life. These ones here, they give you about 5 hours of sound on a single charge. And then the case itself charges the earbuds about 4 times, giving you about 25 hours of total playtime. They also have a water resistant rating of IPX4, which is sweat and splash proof. So let's see what you get inside the box here. You get like a little, it's like a little sticker here, the quick start guide, and then your user manual. And then here we have some extra tips and the charging cable. And here are the earbuds. Very light case. It's got a little micro USB for charging. These do not wirelessly charge. Okay. It's got a magnetic little door there that slides off, and this is the right side. It also has touch gestures, which is really nice. As you can see, the little LEDs light up to let you know that the case is charging, and then as you can see, there's also LEDs on the buds to let you know those are charging as well. So we'll go ahead and let those charge up, and then we'll try them out and see how they sound. Okay, then here we have the Aukey EP-T16S. These can provide up to 3 hours of battery on a 1.5 hour charge. And also the case itself charges the earbuds up to 3 times, giving you an additional 8 to 9 hours of use. These are also a little higher IPX rating. It's IPX5, so you can kind of get these wet in the rain. You also don't have to worry about your sweat or anything like that. And they're also Bluetooth 5.0. So there's the case. You got your little LED battery indicators there. These also do not wirelessly charge. I've tried already. A little micro USB there. Open up the case, and that's what the earbuds look like. So they're a lot smaller, more inconspicuous, and then they got the little LED light indicator on there. These are also touch gestures, so when you're wearing them and you want to like play, pause your music, raise the volume, you just have to tap on the little Aukey symbol here and they will do what they were supposed to do. So that's that. Let's see what else you get inside the case here. You get your little earbud tips. Make sure that you get the right one for your ear because you want these to seal up pretty nice because that'll give you the best sound. So make sure you try on all the tips and see which one fits the best. And here you get your little micro USB charging cable, and then your manuals, quick start guide, and the little sticker in there. Let's go ahead and get these connected. See if we can find these. There they are, the Aukey EP-T16S. So we'll just go ahead and click on that to connect. So I took the earbuds out of the case and then connected to them, and they connected right up. And it also says connected from the little microphone I could hear. So let's go ahead and see how these sound. Okay, so here we're listening to Bruno Mars 24K Magic. It's got some pretty good sound to it. some decent bass. And if you want to lower the volume, just hold on the left bud and it lowers the volume as long as you hold on to it. And then if you want to raise the volume, you just kind of press and hold on the right one and it raises the volume up. And then if you want to pause, you just tap once, it pauses, and then press again to unpause it. Works pretty well. If you want to go to the next track, I believe you double tap the right, yeah. And then if you want to go back, you double tap the left bud. There you go. So that's what they look like inside your ear. These also work with Android and Apple. As you can see, I just used it with my Apple 10R. They work very well. The gestures work. And once you're done, you just kind of put them back in the case here and charge them up. Then you're good to go. So once you pair these, you don't have to worry about repairing them again. You just take them out of the case, and as long as your Bluetooth's on your phone, it will pair back up again. Okay, so as you can see on my phone, it says not connected. So we'll go ahead and open up the case and take the buds out, and then they will connect. So we'll take the right one, put it over here. Take the left one, put it over here. As you can see, it connected all by itself. So all you need to do is take them out of the case and we'll go ahead and pair up, actually reconnect with your phone again. So as you can see, the phone does see the earbuds, so we'll take them out again. And we'll go ahead and pair with them. Okay, so we are connected here. So again, these kind of just hang out of your ear. Okay, so here we're listening to the same track. The sound is still pretty good. It sounds maybe just a little bit less than the other Aukey earbuds. They do have touch gestures. If you want to pause, you double tap. That works. Double tap again to play. Okay. If you want to skip tracks to go back, you press and hold on the left bud. That works well. And to go forward, you press and hold on the right one. That works as well too. You can also bring up your Google Assistant or Siri by a triple tap. There you go. And you can also answer and end calls by double tapping as well. So I tried every tip that this came with, and the smallest ones seem to work the best for me. Still, when I had these seated in my ear, if I moved my head around a lot, or if I kind of opened my mouth or moved my jaw a little bit, they would come, loose from my ear, and then, outside sound would come in and it wouldn't give you the best sound. These do have some pretty good sound and a little bit of bass, but the T16Ss are definitely better than these. So I guess it all depends on what you're really looking for in earpods. So what's my take on the Aukey T16Ss and the T21? So the Aukey T16S I think are my favorite. They fit pretty well in your ear and they seem to stay. They offered you really good sound, but the only thing is the battery life. The battery life is still good. It just doesn't offer you as much as the T21. So I would definitely feel comfortable recommending the T16Ss to everybody looking for some good quality wireless earbuds. Now the T21s they still give you a good sound and the battery life is really good, but I could just not get them to stay seated in my ear very well. You might have a different experience. I just want to let you know my experience. I've tried every different rubber tip that came with these, and I just could not get them to stay seated in my ear. So therefore I'm going to recommend the T16Ss to you guys. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.